This question from the chapter Coordinate Geometry class 10. It says find the ratio in which the line, this is the line given here, divides the line segment joining A and B whose coordinates are given. So first what we will do, we'll first make a line segment and we'll name this as AB. Right, I name this as AB here. This is A whose coordinate is mentioned as 2 minus 2 in the question and B whose coordinate is given as 3, 7. That's what given over here. Now there is another line. Let's say if I take one line and this line is dividing the line joining A and B in the ratio. And what is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is given as 2x plus y minus 4, which I can write equal to 4 also, right? So this is what the equation of the line, and we have to find the ratio. So the ratio is what? Let's say if I say that this line, say L, is intersecting this line joining AB at P. So I can say that, let's say P is the common point over here. And the ratio is what? Ratio will take as K is to 1. And this we have taken so as to use the section formula. So now I'm going to apply this section formula over here. Right. So using this section formula, let me just write down. So what is section formula here for getting x coordinate? I can say that pxy, I should write down the section formula. It is what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 over m1 plus m2. And for y, it's going to be similarly m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. Now this is what we are going to apply. So I can say that pxy is what? This is m1 x2. So it is 3k plus m2 x1. m2 x1 is what? Plus 2 over m1 plus m2 is what? K plus 1. This is what we got its x coordinate. Similarly, I'll obtain its y coordinate, and y coordinate is what? m1 y2. So m1 y2 is what? 7k plus m2 y1 is minus 2. So I'll be writing minus 2 over here. That divided by m1 plus m2, which is k plus 1. Now, next part, you see that we got the ratio, right, in which we got the coordinate of P, right? The coordinate x coordinate of P is this and y coordinate of P is this. Now check here, this point P is also lies on this line L. Therefore, it will satisfy this equation. The coordinates of the point P will satisfy this equation. This is what I'm going to apply in this case. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to replace this x and the y from the x and y coordinate of the point P, right? This is what we are going to do in the next step. So I'll be writing this. This is 2 times x, and x is this. So 2 times is 3k plus 2 over k plus 1 plus y, 1 times y. So it will be y, and y is this. Y coordinate is 7k minus 2 over k plus 1 is equal to 4, right? So over here, this is equal to 4. So I'll be writing equal to 4. Now next I'm going to simplify this to get k over here. The LCM, as you can see, is going to be same, that is k plus 1 only. And this, if I open the bracket, is going to be 6k plus 4, and this is 7k minus 2 is equal to 4. For further simplification, what we are going to do is to do add and subtract the like term. So this is 6k plus 7k should give you how much? 13k. Yeah, that's 13k. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 13k minus 2. On transposing this to this side, multiplying by 4, This will be 4k plus 4 into 1 is 4. Now 13 minus 4k is what? 13 minus 4 is what? 9. On the other side, if I transpose minus to the other side, it will be minus 2 will become, I will add it with 4, right? So it will become plus 6. So k is what? 6 over 9. On reducing, it is coming 2 over 3. So we'll declare the required ratio is what? 2 is to 3 over here. So the line L will divide this line joining A and B in the ratio that is 2 is to 3. That should be the answer.